Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Luis si Sonning here in Pampanga. Ngayon po nga daw ini at kami kini SM Clark, and we want to give you another option for your Korean cravings na. So tamo po kining Yami Bulgogi. This is a Korean restaurant situated kini pong ground floor ng SM City Clark, and right over there is our table. So tara muntata na lawen tayong luluto da. There you have it, guys. Again, magpasalamat kami po kay Pamalbeking kaming vlog. We have here again is Ma'am Mitch. Salamat po for inviting us. Again, this is not our first time actually. So we've been here like the third act, parang ganun, ganun. Another amazing thing is their weekdays promo. So tell us more about it po. This one is
our Shabu-shabu all you can. So unlimited Shabu-shabu. That's Monday to Friday. Start na ng 4 p.m. hanggang 7 ng gabi.
4 p.m. hanggang 7 ng gabi. Unlimited shabu-shabu.
Unlimited siya.
Okay.
Shabu-shabu with rice.
Okay, what does that include? What does that include dito po sa...
So sa shabu-shabu natin, may kasama na siya, of course, yung vegetables. So halo-halo na siya. May pechay, may tofu, may mga squid balls, fish cakes, cheese balls. Cheese balls, must try.
Really?
Yes. Ito yan siya yan. Super
Okay.
sarap yan. And then, may onions, pork, and of course, yung beef natin.
And then this one is also unlimited, correct?
Unlimited.
Wow.
Of course. Unlimited yung beef.
Unlimited
That's
or not?
all part ng shabu-shabu all you can. Pero yung unlimited natin is to beef and yung vegetables.
This one alone, it's already
Yeah, super sulit na siya.
super sulit na, di ba?
Makikita nyo naman sa kay Tropa
From
lang
the
sila,
look of
yung
it.
quality.
From the look of it. And then that's from 4 p.m. to 7.
4 to 7
Now during the
p.m.
afternoon, later on, pakita natin. Anyway, we're gonna talk about it na. You have your grill all you can naman.
Grill all you can naman.
Okay.
Monday to Friday.
Okay.
Monday to Friday lang din siya, 12 p.m. until 3 p.m.
How much is it?
399 for the pork, 499 pag gusto mo mag-beef. And then unlimited rice na rin siya with unlimited iced tea yung lunchtime na.
Wow. Actually, saktong-sakto siya sa ano, tagulan na.
Yes, yung mga tagulan. Kaya masarap talaga. Kaya bigla lang namin yung sinabi yung, yung shabu-shabu.
Yeah. So, yun guys. We're gonna eat, we're gonna try their food. If you're craving for that shabu-shabu ngayong tagulan, no? Kasi ngayong tagulan, masarap dyan, yung medyo mainit, sabaw. Please be with us, we're gonna show you more some footage. Wow, look at that, it's just arrived. So what is that, ma'am?
This is jampong.
Jampong.
Isa pang rainy season food.
Mm-hmm.
So ito yung spicy seafood ramen.
This one is a la carte.
Yes, this is a la carte.
How much is it, ma'am?
This is 350 lang.
300. Wow. That's shareable upon it more probably, no?
Yung mga food natin here in Yami Bulgogi are all authentic Korean, and yung mga cooks namin are trained by a Korean master chef talaga from Seoul. So lahat ng food namin is authentic taste.
Let's put in the beef. May significance ba yung pati ng bowl natin dito, yung pot natin?
Oo, ano siya, para kasi may mga Korean guests, diba? Siyempre gusto nila spicy, pero most Filipinos, they like mild lang. Or yung plain. So ito yung plain natin, then ito yung
So, okay.
so
pwede
best
natin
of both worlds.
Yeah, pwede natin siyang hatiin.
Ano gusto niya? Spicy?
Spicy, that's right. This is it. So we're gonna try it. Very perfect for cold weather. Mga bed weather dyan. Tayo-tayo ka lang ng konti, tapos you're gonna enjoy a yummy bulgogi shabu-shabu. That one's really spicy.
Yung cheese ball na yan, pag kinagat mo, mag-burst yung cheese.
Papalya ba na?
Makali
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. So, salamat po kayong pamanabe, kaya kaming vlog, ne? Sana po meranop kayo, tsaka kayo kinabsi mo naman matangin, inumburi yung experience talagang authentic Korean dishes, lalong-lalo na retang pepakat po kaya kayo. Try po yung Yami Bulgogi. So, once again, Ma'am Mitch, thank you for inviting us po. Please invite our viewers to come and check out your promo and as well as the other dishes po dito sa Yami Bulgogi.
We would like to invite yung mga Where in Pampanga viewers
Yes.
to visit us here in Yami Bulgogi Korean Barbecue Restaurant inside SM Clark sa ground level and near sa food court. Try nyo yung weekdays promo namin, that is Monday to Friday. Pag 12 o'clock hanggang 3 ng hapon, meron kaming unlimited samgyeopsal or unlimited beef grill.
Yes.
So, samgyeopsal tsaka usamgyup, pork and beef. So, pag unlimited samgyeopsal, it's only 399 with free iced tea, free rice, and unlimited side dishes. And then, kapag gusto niyo naman ng pork and beef, it's 499. Again, with iced tea, unlimited side dishes, and rice. And then, of course, pag 4 p.m. hanggang 7 ng gabi, meron naman kaming unlimited shabu-shabu. Katulad ng tinry natin.
Yes.
Kanina. Yes. Unlimited shabu-shabu, unlimited beef naman yon and unlimited vegetables.
For only, nasabi ba natin?
Only 499.
409.
No additional charges, no service charge, no additional taxes. So that's clean, 399 and 499.
Lalong-lalo naman, mas masarap yan ngayon. Tag-ulan, naghahanap ka ng...
Pwede kayo mag-date or mga birthday.
Kung nilalamig na yung boyfriend mo.
Dalhin mo dito.
Anyway, so again guys, thank you for watching here in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.